In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make electronic signatures using DocuSign. Let's get started by opening DocuSign in your web browser. Sign into your account, and if you don't have one yet, you can quickly sign up for a free trial to follow along. Once you're in, look toward the top right for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Manage Profile to open your account settings where all your personal preferences live. Inside your profile, find the section labeled Signatures. This is where you'll create and store your electronic signature for future use. Click Signatures to open it, then select Add Signature. You'll now see 3 ways to create your signature, and you can pick the method that suits you best. If you want something fast and consistent, type your name and choose one of the pre-formatted styles. This option is quick and clean, and it looks professional on any device. If you prefer a more personal touch, click Draw. Use your mouse or trackpad to sign, and if you're on a touchscreen, your finger or a stylus will feel the most natural. Take your time to write smoothly, and use Undo if a stroke doesn't look right. Aim for a legible, slightly slanted line that resembles your normal signature. If you already have a handwritten signature saved as an image, choose Upload. Click Upload, then click Upload Signature to select your file. DocuSign accepts GIF, JPG, PNG, and BMP. For the best result, use a high-contrast image on a white or transparent background. A crisp PNG often looks the cleanest. Make sure the image is cropped closely so there's minimal white space around your signature, and the size isn't too small or too large. Before you finish, give your signature a quick review. Look for smooth edges, good readability, and a size that feels natural compared to text on a page. If something looks off, switch methods or try again until you're satisfied. When everything looks right, click Create to save your signature to your account. That's it. Your signature is now ready to use. The next time you open a document in DocuSign, you'll be able to place your saved signature with a single click, and it will stay consistent across all your agreements. If you ever want to change the look, simply return to your profile, open Signatures, and repeat the same steps to add a new version. Thanks for watching, and now you're set to create clean, professional electronic signatures in DocuSign.